In the year 2025, short-form videos like YouTube Shorts, TikTok clips, and Instagram Reels dominate social media, offering creators a fast track to viral fame. Free artificial intelligence-powered tools simplify the process, enabling beginners to produce professional-quality shorts in minutes. This guide walks you through creating viral shorts using 5 top free artificial intelligence tools: SendShort, Vizard, Opus Clip, InVideo, and Crikey Artificial Intelligence, detailing how to use each, their standout features, and which one excels for quick, high-impact content. By following these steps, you will craft engaging videos that captivate audiences on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Why artificial intelligence tools for viral shorts? Artificial intelligence video editing tools revolutionize content creation by automating tedious tasks like clipping, captioning, and adding effects, turning raw footage or ideas into polished shorts. These tools are perfect for repurposing long videos, creating faceless content, or designing animations without advanced editing skills. With free plans or trials, they are accessible to creators on a budget. Whether you are a marketer, vlogger, or hobbyist, these artificial intelligence solutions help you produce attention-grabbing shorts that drive views and engagement. Let us explore each tool and the process to create your viral masterpiece. SendShort, best for quick, viral-ready clips. SendShort is a top pick for creators needing to produce viral-ready clips quickly. Its artificial intelligence excels at identifying engaging moments in long videos, automatically adding captions, and formatting for multiple platforms. The generous free plan with minimal watermarks suits high-volume content creators. SendShorts, one-click clip generation creates shorts in seconds, while artificial intelligence captions and subtitles with 98% accuracy allow font customization and emoji additions. Auto-translation supports multiple languages for global reach, and built-in B-roll, transitions, and effects enhance storytelling. Direct scheduling to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels saves time. To use SendShort, visit sendshort.ai in your browser and sign up for a free account using your email, no credit card required. Click Upload to import a video or paste a YouTube link, then select Generate Shorts to let the artificial intelligence create clips in 1 to 2 minutes. Review the suggestions, adjust captions or effects if needed, download the video and upload it to YouTube Shorts or TikTok. SendShort's speed and automation make it a favorite, with users reporting up to 5 times productivity boosts for viral content. Vizard, best for customization and accessibility. Vizard is a versatile tool loved by over 5 million creators. For balancing automation and customization, it is ideal for repurposing long-form content like podcasts or interviews into shorts, with a user-friendly editor for personal touches. The artificial intelligence clip generator produces up to 30 clips from one video, each with a virality score to guide selection. Auto-reframing keeps speakers centered in vertical formats, while artificial intelligence captions with customizable styles and emojis ensure accessibility. Team collaboration features support shared brand kits, and multi-platform export works for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. To start, go to vizard.ai and create a free account. Upload a video or paste a YouTube link, then click Get Artificial Intelligence Clips to generate shorts in 1 to 3 minutes. Customize captions, add logos, or tweak layouts in the editor, then export as a 1080p i9:16 video. Share directly to social platforms or save for later. Opus Clip, best for YouTube creators. Opus Clip is designed for YouTube creators, turning long videos into shorts with artificial intelligence precision. Its free plan provides 60 minutes of processing monthly, and an artificial intelligence virality score optimizes engagement. Auto-reframing ensures perfect vertical framing by detecting speakers and objects, while animated captions with 97% accuracy come in multiple templates. To use Opus Clip, visit opus.pro and sign up for the free plan. Upload a video or import a YouTube link, then click Generate Clips to create shorts in 2 to 3 minutes. Review and edit captions or transitions, select the best clips, and export as a 9:16 MP4. Upload to YouTube Shorts or other platforms. Opus Clip's YouTube focus and virality score make it a strong choice, though export limits apply post-trial. InVideo, best for faceless video creation. InVideo's artificial intelligence, YouTube Shorts generator creates faceless videos from text prompts, ideal for creators avoiding on-camera content. The free plan includes basic features, though watermarks appear unless upgraded. Text-to-video artificial intelligence generates scripts, visuals, voiceovers, and subtitles from a prompt, supported by over 50 artificial intelligence voices, in various languages and a 10 million-plus royalty-free media library. Customizable templates and a magic box for text-based edits simplify creation. To start, navigate to invideo.io and sign up for free. Click Generate to create a short in 1 to 2 minutes, then edit the script, visuals, or voiceover. Export as a 9x16 MP4 and upload to YouTube Shorts or TikTok with hashtags. InVideo excels for quote videos or ads, but the watermark can limit professional use. Crikey Artificial Intelligence, best for animated shorts. Crikey Artificial Intelligence specializes in animated YouTube Shorts, offering a unique way to create eye-catching content. Its free plan lets beginners craft three-dimensional character-driven videos without animation expertise. Customize three-dimensional avatars with clothing and accessories, while the artificial intelligence animation generator converts video or text into character movements. Voice Artificial Intelligence adds dubbed audio in multiple languages. To use Crikey Artificial Intelligence, visit Crikey.ai and sign up for free. Select Animation Maker. Customize a three-dimensional character and upload a video or script for artificial intelligence animation, which takes 1 to 2 minutes. Export as a 9x16 MP4 and share on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Crikey Artificial Intelligence is perfect for cartoon-style shorts, but less suited for repurposing long videos. Which tool is the best? SendShort is the top choice for its speed, automation, and viral optimization, making it ideal for high-volume shorts. Vizard is a close second, offering customization and team features for podcasters or brands. OpusClip excels for YouTube creators with its virality score, while InVideo suits faceless content despite watermark limitations. Crikey Artificial Intelligence is best for animated shorts but niche in scope. Process for creating viral shorts. To create viral shorts, begin by selecting a tool based on your needs. SendShort for speed, Vizard for customization, OpusClip for YouTube, InVideo for faceless videos, or Crikey Artificial Intelligence for animations. Visit the tool's website and sign up for a free account, typically requiring just an email. Upload a video file, paste a YouTube link, or enter a text prompt for faceless or animated shorts. Conclusion: creating viral shorts in the year 2025 is effortless with free artificial intelligence tools like SendShort, Vizard, OpusClip, InVideo, and Crikey Artificial Intelligence. SendShort leads for its automation and virality focus, while Vizard offers customization. OpusClip targets YouTube, InVideo excels at faceless content, and Crikey Artificial Intelligence delivers animations. Start with SendShort for speed, experiment with others for specific needs, and use analytics to refine your strategy. Ready to go viral? Visit one of these websites, upload your content, and captivate the world in minutes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.